Was gifted this neck wallet, and this is one of those things that makes traveling feel a lot more organized. If you've ever had to dig through your bag at the airport for your passport or boarding pass, this makes everything way easier to access. It keeps everything right in one place and close to you. The layout is actually really practical. You can fit your passport, cards, cash, and even your phone, so you're not juggling a bunch of things while you're moving around. What I like is how lightweight it feels. It sits flat under your clothes so it doesn't feel bulky or obvious, which is nice when you're in crowded places. The material also feels really durable. It's made with a thicker fabric and strong zippers, so it doesn't feel like something that's going to wear out quickly. It also has RFID blocking layers built in, which is something a lot of people look for when they're traveling, especially in busy areas. Another thing I noticed is how easy it is to get things in and out. The pockets are designed well, so you're not fumbling around trying to grab your passport or phone. The strap is adjustable too, so you can wear it comfortably depending on how you want it to sit. Overall, if you're already looking at this and want something that keeps your essentials together, easy to access, and out of the way while you're traveling, this is a really solid option to go with.